The 5-number summary is a set of data. Is this set of statistics. Remember, statistics are calculations from data. All right, so these are calculations. All right, so the first number is the minimum. Then we have the first quartile, which we called Q sub 1. All right, so that's the first quartile. The median, the third quartile, which we call Q sub 3, and then the maximum. All right, we also talked about that these quartiles, that the Q1 is the 25 percentile, so 25% of the data is less than the first quartile. The median is the 50th percentile, so let's put that down, 25 percentile. The median is the 50th percentile. And Q3, the third quartile, is the 75th percentile. So 75% of the data is less than this. So this 5-number summary, it breaks up the data into a fourth. All right. So 25% is less than the quartile. And then I have 25%, or a fourth of the data, fourth of the count of the data. Fourth of the frequency is between the first quartile and the median. And a fourth of the count will be between the median and the third quartile. And a fourth of the count will be between the third quartile and the maximum. And because of this, the way it tells us a lot about the data, which is 5 numbers. All right. So if we want to do this in StatCrunch, and you can click here on this this link here. I think if you have to hit Control click, you can open that data set in StatCrunch, and you can actually run these statistics and calculate them. So like always, if I want to calculate statistics, which you had to do for the last homework, you click Stat, Summary Stats Columns, and then just select Age. All right, so for this guy down here, I only wanted the 5-number summary. So what I did was I click, not Control click or Shift click, I clicked on minimum, and then I Control click the rest of them. So I click minimum, Q1, median, Q3, max. All right, and then I ran that, and I get this. So this is the 5-number summary for the age from the introductory survey that everybody took at the beginning of the semester. So here we have the minimum and the first quartile. So basically, I said a fourth of the people, so a fourth of the students are between 16 years old and 18 years old. That's what I write here. All right. Another fourth of the students are between 18 years old and 19 years old. Another fourth of the students are between 19 years old and 20 years old. And then the remaining fourth of the students are between 20 and 28. Now, so we're going to have some overlap. This 18, we have a bunch of students that are 18, a bunch of students that are 19. That can happen. All right, and so since these are fourths, we can also talk about halves. Remember, the median splits the data in half. So half of the students are 19 or younger, and the other half are 19 and older. All right, so the median is 19 years old. We can also talk about the middle half. And that's going to be between this first quartile and this third quartile. So the middle half of the data is between, the middle half of the ages are between 18 and 20 years old. So, and the inner quartile range is the range of that middle half. So that's just Q3 minus Q1. And here it's only 2 years. It's 20 minus 18, which is just 2 years. All right. And so all the ages are within 2 years of each other. Not all of the ages. The middle half of the students have ages that are within 2 years of each other. All of them, if I get the range, that's 28 minus 16. Max minus min, that's 12 years. So all of the students' ages are within 12 years of each other.